Right, so to connect the DJI Mic Mini 2 to the DJI Mimo app, first thing you need to do is get that app installed on your phone. And then, of course, you need to have the microphones connected to your phone, either via the receiver or you can connect them via Bluetooth. Now, as long as those two things have happened, you will see a pop-up on the DJI Mimo app telling you DJI Mic Mini detected. Go to settings to change audio parameters. So you can simply tap on go to settings, and then you can actually see your Mic Mini there, and you can see the sound levels, and you have some settings you can play around with. You can even see how they're connected. Okay, and then from here you can change things like the audio channel. You can turn safety track on or off and all that stuff. Okay, so if you want more information, you can tap on the three dots in the top right corner and you can see your device name, your serial number, the name of your transmitter, the other transmitter, and the receiver. And that's basically how to connect. Okay, now anytime you need to come back here and look at your device, you can simply launch the DJI Mimo app. Okay, and then go to profile, and then under profile go to wireless mic, tap on that, and that's gonna open up your DJI Mic Mini 2 setup page, okay, or the settings page. Anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any comments or questions, feel free to talk to us down in the comment section. Good luck.